This is where we're going on the Beauty Shaman. Let's do it. On Teresa, I start with some C serum to hydrate her skin and plump it up. Then I add some Ben Nye foundation. It's kind of a nice sheer foundation for mature skin. It doesn't set in fine lines. Then I plop on a little bit of powder, not a lot. Then I grab some MAC concealer and use it only where she needs it, on red marks, dark marks, anything like that. Very light application. After that, I add a little bronzer. This is a Merit Beauty. I love this bronzer. I use it on loads of people. And then I take a number 1 brush from Merit Beauty as well, and I blend it in using circular motions just to make it look really natural. You don't want it to look like a really heavy bronzer line. It needs to really be a part of your skin. Then I add a little Prime Prometics sheer blush. This is pretty, a nice pink. I just use my fingers to blend that in, very high on her cheekbones and in her brow bone, just to add some lovely light color there. Really pops her face. I fill in her eyebrows with some Jane Iredale brow pencil to give it a little more definition. Not a lot, nothing heavy. Then I apply some pink lipstick. So this was in one of my makeup palettes. I actually don't know the name of it, so sorry about that. But it's a lovely bright, but it has some depth to it, pink, which really makes her face pop. It's beautiful. I add a little neutral lip liner. I don't really match the lipstick. I just go with something very neutral just to keep the lipstick from bleeding, to add a little bit more definition to the outer edges. Now I'm doing this on fast forward just so you can get the full idea. This is a waterproof pencil by Stila that I really like, and I'm using it in very short motions in order to get it between her lashes. This takes a little bit of practice, but you will see on Teresa's eyes, this really pops her eyes. It's kind of crazy actually. But as you can see, it takes me a minute.